What is it like to be a fashion designer? This exercise is a simple visualization exercise that helps you step into the mindset, the identity of a fashion designer. This is approximately 10 minutes long. If you can't do it right now, save this video and come back to it later when you can. But if you're ready to see yourself as a fashion designer, this is a very powerful exercise. You're practicing the feeling of being that person, the confidence, the creativity, the energy, so that your outer world can start matching your inner state and your imagination. Just follow my words and let your imagination guide you into the version of you who is already creating and designing and moving in that direction. So if you can, close your eyes and listen to my words, okay? And if not, just watch the visuals on the screen. Take a deep breath and exhale. Exhale, relax your mind, relax into this moment. Now imagine yourself being a fashion designer. Really picture it, feel it, step into it. For the next few minutes, I want you to imagine yourself living the life of a designer, fully, confidently, naturally. What would it actually be like for you to live as a fashion designer? What would your day look like? Your habits, your energy. Let your imagination open, because imagination is the birthplace of everything real. Einstein said it. Imagination is more important than knowledge. And in fashion, imagination is the engine. It's the spark. It's the blueprint that becomes the collection. See yourself doing the things a designer does. Maybe for you it's start with sketching. That moment where you're sitting at a table with your pencils or your iPad and ideas just start flowing. Lines, shapes, silhouettes. You're not forcing anything. You're letting creativity move through you. Or maybe for you it's draping. Hands on the dress form, pinning and shifting and sculpting fabric until an idea takes shape. The pleasure of discovering something you didn't even plan, but you feel it the second it appears. Or maybe you're the one who loves sewing or pattern making, or the technical side, turning the idea into something real and precise. Whatever your entry point is, visualize it. See yourself there. See yourself there. Now imagine you're in a fabric store, or maybe a fabric warehouse, and you're touching different fabrics, different materials, feeling the texture, the weight, the movement of the fabric. Imagine picking up a specific fabric and instantly you know it's, oh yes, this is it. This is the one. This is the perfect fabric for that particular design, that particular jacket or dress or whatever you're working on. feel the excitement of that moment, the inner click of recognition. Designers know that feeling really well. Now, follow that fabric back to your workplace, to your workspace, to your studio, and picture yourself sketching ideas inspired by it. Ideas inspired by that fabric. Let your imagination wander into, what could this become? What could I make with this? What can I design with this fabric? Now, imagine you're working with a seamstress or a sample maker, explaining your design, talking through details, communicating your vision clearly and confidently. You're collaborating like a professional because you are one. Maybe you're talking with a factory, with a contractor, finalizing colors, trims, finishing techniques, reviewing samples, giving approvals. You're making decisions, leading the process, moving a design from concept to reality. Now, picture yourself sharing your creative world online, posting sketches and fabric swatches, behind the scene videos, your collection development process, your aesthetics, your point of view, and feel how good it feels to inspire people, to see comments and messages from people who love what you do, to feel momentum building around your work. Now imagine you open up a fashion magazine, let's say it's Vogue, for example, and you turn a page and there it is. It's your brand, it's your design, it's your ad campaign. Pause. Feel that. Let your body react. Let yourself feel the pride, the joy, the gratitude, the wow, this is it. I did it. I did this. Now take it further. See yourself presenting your collection on a runway. On a runway. The lights, the music, the energy, models walking out wearing your vision, your ideas, your designs. The audience is watching, photographers capturing every moment. How does that feel? What does that feel like? Let it fill you, let it expand you. Now imagine you're on set with photographers, shooting your designs for an ad campaign, a lookbook, your advertising, your website, your social media. You're directing the vibe, the poses, the styling, the hair, the makeup. You're creating a world, and the world reflects your brand. See yourself surrounded by editors, stylists, buyers, influencers, makeup artists, all these professionals who respect your work. Feel the acknowledgement, feel the recognition, feel what it's like to be valued for your creativity and your contribution to the world. Now take a moment and feel gratitude. Feel genuine gratitude for your creativity, for your courage, for your success. Hold that vision. Feel it. Walk with it. Enjoy the journey. Take one more deep breath. Feel that grounded confidence in your chest. And so it is. let it be.